everyone, this is Dela Cruz and I welcome you to another video of Hosted by Tina. In this video, I am going to talk about the combination resume. But before we do that, let us first look into some salient features of the reverse chronological resume and the functional resume. And here they are. The reverse chronological resume presents your employment history based on the dates when you were employed. This means we try to arrange our employment data from the most recent to the oldest job we've had. On the other hand, the functional resume is a structure that highlights your skill group. This structure gives your interviewers the ease of finding the theme or skill groups where most of your skills and abilities as an employee belong. Let me remind you that the reverse chronological resume is highly recommended for those people who have stayed in the same career path for a very long time. Say, you have started teaching the moment you graduated in college, and for quite a long time, you have practiced your profession on teaching. That is a very good example of a career or employment record that will be more efficient to be highlighted in the reverse chronological format. The functional resume, on the other hand, is almost the complete opposite of the reverse chronological structure. In the functional resume, you will highlight the strong skills and abilities you have on the very first section. The skills and abilities that you possess are even grouped into themes or headings. For more information on these two resume formats, I have included on the description below the links for Resume Writing Part 1, Reverse Chronological Resume, and Resume Writing Part 2, Functional Resume. A combination resume lists your skills and qualifications first. Your employment history is listed next, as opposed to what you have in reverse chronological order, where you begin with your most recent job and then work back through earlier positions. The combination resume format is often the best of both worlds for job seekers who have a lot of skills to offer and at the same time have stable employment track. Some instances also dictate that the job seeker might prefer a functional resume format to emphasize their skills and qualifications, but were instructed by employers to include a work history. At this point in time, I would like to bring to your attention how the functional resume is different from a combination resume. In the functional resume, do you still remember how you assign a profile summary or qualification summary to introduce the document? And then, after such subsection, you follow it up with the groupings of your skills. In the combination resume, though, we have readily included the highlighted skills in the profile summary. This is done in support to the general qualifications that we included in the profile summary section. After that subsection where you put together the general qualifications you have and the skills that you would like to impart to the company, then comes the employment history. This is also one major characteristic of the combination resume, that it is subdivided into two major parts. One is the section for your skills and abilities encased in the profile summary, and two, your employment history. Simply put, your employment history in this particular structure is not optional. It is not just a recommendation that you include it, but a very important part of your resume. The combination resume is typically divided into two parts. The first part is similar to a functional resume, that it highlights skills, achievements, and qualifications. The second part is the timeline of work experience. In using this structure, you first capture the attention of the employer by highlighting key skills and capabilities in a qualification summary, which we referred to in the previous videos as profile summary, and then supports this introductory section with an account of prior work experience. Resume writing experts recommend to divide the descriptions of your work experience into related work experience and additional professional experience sections. This allows you to focus on your reader's attention on your most relevant experience while at the same time providing a complete work history. Since I have mentioned that this is the third and final video on resume writing, don't think that the next few videos will be less exciting. As a matter of fact, I will continue on the topic and content on job readiness. I will also be featuring some common interview questions and my personal recommendation on how to attack and respond to them. Then, the next video to that will be a little bit more colorful. I'll let you find out. That concludes my video today on resume writing part 3, the combination resume. I hope you guys will help me share this video for those people, particularly to young job seekers who might need a guide in resume writing. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you can get more notifications on similar videos. Once again, this is Dela Cruz of Hosted by Tina. Ta-da!